The ground shakes beneath the thunder of marching boots. Dust fills your lungs. The rhythm of Rome pounds in your chest. You are no longer in camp. Today, you march with Caesar into the wild heart of Gaul. You shoulder your pack as dawn burns away the night. The centurion's whistle cuts the cold air, one cadence for every step. Row after row of shields glint in the sun as the legion presses forward. Farmers look up from their fields and cross themselves. A child hides behind a fence. You keep your eyes ahead. In this column, hesitation is a fault you cannot afford. A rider appears at the front, not a rumor now, but a man. Caesar, small, hard-faced, wrapped in a cloak that smells of oil and horse. He rides like a blade through the ranks. His eyes meet yours for a heartbeat, and you feel the weight of a republic on your shoulders. Men fall quiet. Every breath becomes a promise. Hour after hour, the road grinds you down. Sandals bite, blisters bloom. The pack digs into your shoulders. You swallow stale bread that tastes of dust and keep walking. The sun drags its slow arc. At midday you dig, trenches for a waist-top, stakes for a palisade. Rome is not forged by glory alone. It is hammered out by sweat. By dusk, every man becomes mason, carpenter, and sentry. You pound stakes into the earth, your hands a map of old scars. Around the fire you sit with your contubernium, brothers who share a tent, a mule, a meal. Someone laughs about home. Someone else hums a marketplace tune. For a moment, the world softens. At dawn, the scouts return, faces tight with news. Shadows move in the trees. The centurion barks and the formation tightens. Shields lock like teeth. Your heart hammers in the pause before battle. Every rustle becomes a threat. Discipline steadies you. In Rome, steel and silence are sister arts. Orders come sharp, we cross. Shields link, timbers lay, the men become a living bridge. Water roars, but we hold our line. Soldiers slip and are hauled up by gloved hands. Someone swears, a sound swallowed quickly. In the middle of the river, you look back for the first time and see the column stretching like a promise across the land. Night finds you again by torchlight. You clean your gladius until steel sings. Prayers are whispered to Mars. Laughter drifts between clinking cups. An odd lightness after a day of iron. Then the horn. Sudden, urgent, shattering the warmth. Men scramble. Torches scatter. The centurion's voice cuts through. To arms! The night is suddenly not safe. You grip your spear and rise, because tomorrow will demand everything. This was one day in the life of a Roman soldier, one breath in the long tide of empire. If you want to step deeper into history, subscribe to POV of the past, where every story puts you inside the moment.